Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platforms, which is ProtonVPN and Private Internet Access VPN, which is PIA. So to get started with a quick overview, ProtonVPN is built for users who value privacy above all, offering Swift-based jurisdiction, open source app, and a strict no-log policy. It's especially appealing for those seeking transparency and independent audit. And talking about PIA on the other side is a veteran VPN service known for advanced customization, a proven no-log policy, and an available price point. It's ideal for tech-savvy users who want more control and performance. And talking about the strength and the weakness of these two platforms, so talking about the strength of ProtonVPN, it has a swift jurisdiction with a strong privacy law, together with an open source app with independent audit. Talking about the weakness of the platform, the premium tiers are more expensive, which is really discouraging, especially from the ProtonVPN. And also the free server can be slow at peak time. Now talking about the PIA strength and weakness, that's the thousands of servers in over 90 countries, together with highly customizable with encryption protocols and ports. And talking about the downside, the interface can be overwhelming for beginners and the mixed performance with some stream services. And here's the overall conclusion about these two platforms. So you can simply choose ProtonVPN if you want a rock solid privacy, open source transparency, and a trust in natural jurisdiction. Just go for ProtonVPN. Now on the other side, you choose PIA if you want advanced settings, bucket pricing, and access to a huge global server network. Just go for PIA. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms and which of these VPN would be a better option and a safer network for you. Thanks.